All right.
Are you rolling?
Yep. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alan. Happy birthday to you.
Alan, now you go out.
Yay! Annie help you?
Ooh, there's one. Do some more. Get closer. Blow, blow, blow. Blow more.
Yay! Good job, Alan.
Good job on your birthday. Now, should we get something to slice?
Auntie Julie's gonna cut it.
Okay,
I got the
Auntie
plates
Julie.
here. Alan, how old are you? You're still saying 2. Okay.
Alan has the head because it says
How old will you be tomorrow?
monkey.
How old will you be tomorrow?
I'm being a monkey.
Oh, you're gonna be
Yeah.
a monkey.
You're gonna be a monkey tomorrow.
Alan, are you turning 3 today? Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Here's how old you are. Alan.